Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix on Roblox game client has stopped working Windows 7. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if this problem is occurring to you, then this is the fix for you guys. So first things first, make sure to search for the Roblox on Roblox Player Launcher, and then you just have to go over and open file location, go over and right click and properties. And all you have to do here is go over to compatibility, run compatibility troubleshooter, and Windows should search for the problem for you and fix it automatically. And you just have to follow the steps here. And then you just have to go over and make sure that run this program as admin is checked. Click apply and then hit OK. Okay guys, so all you have to do once that is done, you have to just go over and restart your uh, device. And once done doing that, if that still does not work guys, then go over to device manager. So this is the second method. And then go over to the display adapter and find your display adapter here. Go over to update driver, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick a list. And you just have to select the list here and should click on next. And that should update the drivers for you. Once that is done, restart the device again and that should fix the issue. Okay guys, that is all for today.